What's good, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another video. We got our boy Z in the mix.
Yeah.
This nigga. We're back at Z's house. Today, we're gonna go ahead to Steven's shop. He told me he's gonna be painting Rocco's wide body kit. So we're gonna go head up there. We're gonna learn-ish how to paint a wide body kit. This is too funny, man. Z almost finished cleaning his car and then legit just got crapped on. Yo, this is a story of your life right here, bro.
Fucking birds, man.
Yo, that's too funny. So for those of you who didn't watch the last video, Z rebuilt his entire engine and transmission, and he's finally got the car back. Right now he's just waiting till he hits that 1,000 miles to do the final oil change. What do you guys think about these wheels, man? They used to be gold, but they're like 4 years old. 4 years?
We're talking.
No, more than that.
These were made in 2004.
So they were made in, oh my god, that's 15 years.
Yeah.
They're 15 years old. Volks wheels, they look, I mean, they started to look a little rolled gold-ish, and it looks kind of nice on the white. Comment what you guys think. And you guys remember that video when he installed his 6-piston Corvette calipers? Bro, look at how little space this man has. I can barely, like, I can't even fit a finger in between the can you even fit a piece of paper in there?
It's like 3 millimeters, which is the minimum recommended.
Boy, look at that crap, bro. I mean, they look humongous. I'm sure they work wonders. Alright guys, so Z pretty much finished cleaning the car. We have the GPS ready to go. I didn't mention this, but I'm bringing the turbo because Steven is actually helping me install it. Not today, but we're just gonna take a look at it because it's been sitting for over a year now. So we're just gonna take a look at it and see what else I'm gonna need. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need new gaskets for pretty much everything, and that should be it, but we'll see. He's gonna take a look at the injectors and all that good stuff. Z's right there. So we're about to head out to Steven's shop. So my boy Z. Yeah, I think it's looking nice, bro. Looks mad clean. I think the rose gold is really nice. Yeah, I don't know, I dig it, man. We decided to fuel up real quick before we head out. You know, with the gas situation, you don't really know. Oh, fudge, I forgot to open my gasket. Okay, here we go now. All right. There we go, boys. We got it. Ready to bounce, man. Put the seatbelt on. Look at this dog, yo. Man, cute.
Two hours later.
Four in the morning, know that I'm zoned and roll up the potent, smoking the propane, mixing the potion, mixing the 20 with Henny and Remy, balling out finger roll, yeah, with the jelly, vibing out, you can find me at the telly, the drugs kicking in, damn, my palms getting sweaty, know that I'm peaking, yeah, I be speeding, lanes I be changing, yeah, I be swerving, gears I be shifting, turn I just missed it, damn, it's all good. I just want you, you know just what I want to. At 4 a.m., yeah. At 4 a.m., yeah.
Hi.
Late night menu when you're on it.
Nadia calling. I'm just calling
I get best when you wear nothing.
in regards.
Things get hot and heavy when we touch it.
Not seeing you, so I was wondering what was
Take
going
my
on.
time with you, yeah, I ain't rushing. 4 in the morning, 4 in the morning. Know that I'm zoned and roll up the potent. Smoking the propane, mixing the potion, mixing the 20 with Henny and Remy. Balling out finger roll, yeah, with the jelly. Vibing out, you can find me at the telly. The drugs kicking in, then my palms getting sweaty. Know that I'm peaking, yeah, I be speeding. Lanes I be changing, yeah, I be swerving. Gears I be shifting. Turn, I just missed it, damn, it's all good. I just want you, you know just what I want to at 4 a.m.
So you guys remember this from the video? He actually repainted it. This is a different color. Damn, this looks nice, yo. What's good, man? How you doing, bro? So this is Rocco's FRS. This is the one that he's working on, the wide body. The pieces are inside the shop. It looks like it was already primed and sanded, and I think he just has to paint it. So we're just gonna get some footage of him painting it and ask him for some tips for anybody out there that wants to do this on their own and stuff like that. And take it to a body shop. I mean, if you can't afford it,
You shouldn't be doing it.
yeah, no. I think you should still do it. Like,
I mean,
if you want to learn, I feel like you should still do it. I mean, that's my personal opinion. Z thinks that you should just bring it to a shop and have somebody at a shop do it, because Z has money like that, obviously.
I don't have money like that.
Yeah, I know. Anyways, guys, the workers are still in there, so we're not gonna really film in there yet. We're, I guess I'll get some cinematic shots, and I'll show you guys the shop and everything. Oh, actually, let me show you guys this, because Steven recently purchased this side as well, and the lift is right there. He just got a lift delivered, and I brought my turbo kit. Actually, we're gonna install it here, so let me show you guys this place. And this is huge. Freaking Steven was doing donuts in here the other day. I'll put a clip of it up so you guys can see, but it's nice, man. It's big. He's got the lift over there. I don't know when he'll be installing that, but I'll be showing you guys some footage of that later on. Alright guys, so it doesn't look like we're gonna actually paint any of the body parts today, but at least Z's gonna set it up to take some pictures from the empty side of the shop. Hey, okay, Z right now is wiping it down. Let's see what he's up to. Hey, Z, my boy putting in that work right now with that rag. That's right.
I always keep a microfiber in the car.
That's right, bro. Clean my shit. We're gonna try to do the wide body kit, but Steven
Tired.
pussied out.
Tired.
So we're just gonna call it a day and head back. It was fun though. I'm gonna still upload this because, you know, why not? It's footage, and it was fun.
You judging me, bro?
No, I'm not judging you, bro.
I'll give you the gun. Let's go spray it.
Nah. It's too late for all that, bro. But yeah, man. So huge shout out for Steven for flopping out on that.
Good looks, bro.
Good looks. So I brought the turbo over to Steven because he's gonna pretty much help me install it, and we're just looking over all the parts that we're missing, and well, not really missing, but what I need, which is mostly gaskets.
Not really.
Yeah, so honestly, that's all I really need. So probably what I'm gonna do next is order a clutch, because they recommended that I upgrade my clutch before installing the turbo, and then after the clutch is in, we'll work on getting the turbo installed and getting it tuned. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Right now, this guy's gonna connect the hose to his car, see what it sounds like. Don't you have to? What do you run? What do you run the tube to?
The same one that's run on mine right there. Mine isn't on a pipe. Mine's on the on the intercooler itself.
Hey.
That's why I kind of want to see. But he just said it like if you want like that squirrel under the hood type sound, it's got to be fucking.
So you just want to see what it sounds like?
Yeah. Well, yeah, because if I like the sound, I'll fucking get one.
Pretty sure it's gonna sound the same though.
We'll see.
Dumps it all together.
Yeah.
It's not sensitive like the other one.
Yeah, you gotta put.
Quieter.
Yeah.
house.
So
JK.
what noises?
We're driving back together though.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Now, will that vary based on PSI, right?
Yeah, but